It's Tuesday, September 12th, 2017. Time is 7:10 p.m. and we're in Brookings, Oregon, Driftwood RV Park, Lower Harbor Road. You're looking at the Pacific. The sound you're hearing is the Pacific Ocean roaring. I wanted to get another video of this piece of driftwood that Patsy first seen rolling in down there. That's a huge tree log. And it's been rolling in now, I guess, for about an hour more since she discovered it. Patsy's down here on the beach. Let's see if I can get zoom in on it. Oh, there's rock piles. See these rocks here? They weren't there yesterday. Now, I don't know what put them there. For the moment I thought about a truck, but as we looked at them, there isn't any tire marks around. There she is. Just sitting down there. I'm up on what's called the jetty. How you doing? I'm not talking to myself. I'm narrating the videos. Yeah, you gotta let people know what they're seeing, you know? Could be dramatic as far as they know. And so we were down the far end of this, that's south. On Sunday, we walked all the way down there. Let's keep on going. And we walked to see that. Oh, that camp. Well, let's see if we can zoom in on it right now. That's as far as we're going from this spot, from this vantage point. Okay, so the sun's going down. We're pulling out tomorrow. We're heading to Walmart Super Center in whatever town it might be. I know there's one we're going to be stopping at in Medford, and the second one is south of that. Don't remember the town. We're going to be in Carson City for Saturday morning. Camp N, letter N, Town, RV Park. How far is that woman out there? Let's just zoom out a little bit. Get an idea how far the waves are. This is pretty steep slope. I don't know if it's, oh, get back to what I was talking about where that drummer was right here. Driftwood. Look at this. Okay, that's driftwood. And everything from little twigs to trees to monster trees have been washed up. And it goes all the way down the road here. Right down the beach. And again, this guy, he's still flopping around there. Alright, I'm going to I am going to take a picture of the sunset going west because we're getting ready to head back to the Mini Winnie. You see there. Well, I know what he's doing. Okay, so get past that one. And again, anything you see that's white isn't really white, it's bird drops. Now then again, this is the first time I mentioned that in this video. That is all bird crap. Huge, massive rock. We're videoing the jetties to the north and south of Brookings Harbor. And down there, as you notice, the water is very calm. And there's 300, 400 big boats down there. Ocean going. Would have to be because we're on the ocean. But commercial fishermen. That's a fresh fish store. The blue one. And if I can get some of these boats, well, you can see the tops of the mast and everything. So we have these boats from different angles. That's going into the harbor. I could complete our panorama here. back to where Patsy's at, and then they head down. It's getting cold, chills. She's already walked away from where she was. And that's it for this one. As soon as the pictures are done saving. That's it.